Consultant Vlog, episode number 5. What's up, bag babes? It's your virtual 31 consultant, Rockstar Rochelle. I'm back for another vlog. Ladies, the excitement is happening. One of my 2019 goals was to attend conference. So you make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and giving this video a big like so you can follow me on my journey to Ohio. Okay, now ladies, this is my first conference, and the reason being is because traveling from California to Ohio, is expensive. Who would have thought? With that being said, I made an additional goal. If I'm going to Ohio, I'm going big, baby. Big. Your girl is trying to walk that stage as a director because only directors get to walk that stage. And as you can see, conference is big. We have a countdown already. It says 131 days until conference. So I have 131 days to get my act together so I can be there walking that stage with you, coming along on this awesome journey. So 2019 conference, second goal, walk that stage as your director. Third goal, if I'm going to 31 conference, I'm using everything I've earned through 31 to get me there, okay? So I'm trying to be accountable. These consultant vlogs, I'm gonna try to do every month so that you can keep me in check and say, Rochelle, you need to get there. We wanna get there because I wanna show you all the new stuff that's gonna be coming out in fall. Thank you, Pinterest, for these free printables. I got 2 here to keep me accountable. We got our vacation budget and itinerary right here, baby. So I got to budget for airfare, hotel, getting around, food, tickets, and souvenirs, aka a large 31 conference hall, which you know your girl will share with you, and any additional tickets or tours that I will be taking over there. With that being said, I gotta be accountable. I got a little goal tracker here of how much I've been saving so we can get there. From here to Columbus, your girl, I gotta show you the trips, okay? Flights out there. If I am choosing to leave on a Thursday, getting there at midnight, and I gotta stay for the whole conference, so picking that with taxes and everything else and fees, your girl is looking at $502.98. Getting to and from the airport to the convention center in Ohio, I Ubered it, and I'm looking at about $17.94. So we'll just budget that as $20. That's going to and from, okay? Next is hotels. We're going big here. So it looks like it's about $250 a night, and I'm gonna be there for 3 nights. So I'm going to choose this one. This is based on hotels.com and anything around the convention center. And I'm booking now. Let's book this one, non-refundable. I'm looking at $916.85. Hi. It's climbing up there, girls. Like I said, I'm already at $1,500. If I'm going to Ohio, I'm walking that stage. Okay, ladies, you're coming with me. Now, that does not include tickets for registration and food. I'm going to be budgeting $30 a day, give or take, okay? Let's make that 40 because your girl's gonna be having a couple of drinks. Because I'm there to have a good time as well. Looking at the itinerary, which is freaking awesome. They have a couple of things that we can tag along to, like shopping, leader shopping, leading expo. So leaders get early access, and so that's another incentive why I want to go as a director, because I want to get in there. You can see that costs are climbing up, and I am determined to get there. I have a wonderful director, and she gives us these little postcard incentives. Anytime I hit a certain goal, like getting a team member, submitting 4+ parties, or personal volume of more than $1,000, she gives us a postcard, and it says here, collect 5 for 25. And let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, because you know I rocked it. Your girl is serious. So that's at least $75. So I can mark $75 at least into my savings fund. Now your girl is rocking her business, but I did have unexpected expenses such as mailing and postage. Your girl spent like $200 last month mailing out catalogs and goodies and bags out to all you wonderful ladies, and I'm okay with that. I did not expect that, so that kind of hit a dent in my little savings thing, but that's okay. I just gotta twerk it a little bit, okay? We can twerk it. All right, ladies, till next month, see how your girl is doing, and thank you so much for coming along with me as we head to Columbus, Ohio. Columbus, Ohio, here I come.